Today, I will be showing you how to drop classes at Enterprise State Community College. First, you will navigate to the home page, which is escc.edu. Then, you will click the MyESCC tab in the top left corner. After that, scroll down and click the MyESCC Students button. Enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, click the Student tab. Then, click Student Landing Page. Now, click Registration. Once you are here, click Register for Classes. Select the appropriate registration term. Click the left arrow to enlarge the Schedule and Summary panel. To drop a class from your schedule, click the drop-down button under the Actions tab. You will now select Web Withdrawn Course. Make sure that the course you are dropping is the correct course. At the bottom of the page, click Submit. You have successfully learned how to drop a class at ESCC.